create an online HSC account, please go to the My Account at the top right of the homepage. You'll be then brought to this page. Go to the right hand side and click the green Create an Account button. You'll be then brought to the New Customer Account Registration. If you do not have an approved credit account facility, please click here. You'll be required to enter some basic information just like your company name, if you have a trade account with the hire supply company, what type of company type you are, your personal information, contact telephone number, invoice address postcode, website address, and if you want to sign up to our newsletter or email promotions. You will also have to enter an email and strong password that you will use to log into the account. Once you've filled in all the required information, go to the bottom of the page and click the green Create an Account button. You'll be then brought back to the customer login screen and you'll see the message highlighted in green saying thank you for registering with the hire supply company. This will then be dealt with one of our team members who will accept your account once we have gone through your application. You will then receive an email confirming your account creation where you can see the latest promotions, new products, availability, and prices.